I'm making the perfect brew. It's really easy. This Keurig has a feature where you can either make 1 cup and then you can pick the number of ounces for that cup and if you want it strong or not, or you can click this button instead and make a whole pot. What I really love about this coffee pot is that in the back, the water well is shared by both sides. So you only have to fill the water once, and then you can use it to make a single cup, or you can use it to make a whole pot of coffee. And then the difference would be for the pot of coffee, you're gonna press this button, and this will go by the number of cups. If you're doing a single cup of coffee, you're gonna press this button, and then this will go by the number of ounces. Now over here, you have an automatic timer where you can create a pot of coffee at a specific time. So when you're awake in the morning, you wake up in the morning, you have nice coffee waiting for you. So my brew is ready. I'm gonna be adding some honey and enjoying this cup. Thank you.